I'm back with a new video and I'm going to be unboxing this Super Ultimate Science Kit. And I have a friend with me today. Ta-da! So we're going to be unboxing this, so let's get started. You take that side, I'll take this. How do you move? There's levers here. Oh, yeah. That. Then how do you? Oh yeah, here. It comes out here. It comes out to my, no, it comes out to my side. Oh no, we have to flip that over so it doesn't fall out. Let's get started. Okay, I got it. Okay, guys. So this is it. So we don't need this for now. And so we're gonna get started with this. So this is where you take this piece, and then you're gonna take out the wrap, and then you're gonna scratch it off, and then you get gems. And the next part are tweezers to hold, and that's the cover. And these are tweezers to hold the gems and put it in the bucket. So, and then you have a paintbrush to wipe the gems off from the white stuff. And then these are like a few experiment stuff for the volcano and the slime glue, slime goo. So now we're gonna show you this part. This is the volcano, and then you use the funnel. There's a cap for that. And you use a funnel, and then you pour the ingredients, and that's what that's for. And you put some of those experiment stuff in here. And then we have here some magnifying glass. Comes in this little handy dandy. There's also a baking soda. I don't know why. I didn't even see this. You can find out when you do the experiments. And this is some kind of powder. Yeah, some powder. Yeah, kind of powder. And then here's a bowl to put your gems. And then I'm going to show you the magnifying glass because I didn't get to open it. Okay, got it. Then we got this tiny glass magnifying glass. Give that. And then we have a measuring. Then we have a measuring cup. This is the big one. And here's the small one. Yeah, we didn't show that. And here's a popsicle stick. So, like, I don't know what to do. So maybe you mix the baking soda up if you're making the slimy goo. And I can show you what the 3 things we can make out of here. So we can make a volcano, we can find gems, and we can create slimy goo. And so you see the 4 things, and that's the white piece that I showed you, and they're digging out gems. And then they're using the paintbrush to wipe it off, and they're using the funnel, and then the small cup, and then they're pouring it in the volcano. So we might do some science experiments with this. So see you in the next video. See you in the next video.